Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. And once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button, and after a second or two, the watch will boot into a system. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.